Hey foodies, if you're looking for a quick and delicious shrimp recipe, then you have to try this one out. So I'm using jumbo shrimp because, as we know, shrimp tends to overcook really quickly. You're gonna go ahead and season with the ingredients below. You can skip the cornstarch and flour if you like. I just like that extra crispiness. So we're gonna fry our shrimp until golden brown for around 2 to 3 minutes. Remove, set it to the side. And then we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce by combining all the ingredients below. The sauce is normally made with regular straight up buffalo sauce, but I used honey buffalo sauce. And of course you can adjust the buffalo sauce and the red pepper flakes depending on the spice level that you're looking for. Once that sauce starts to simmer, we're gonna go in with our shrimp and we're gonna mix that all in. As soon as you put the shrimp in, you want to turn the flame off because, like I said, we don't want to overcook these bad boys. I served this up with some white rice. It was so delicious. And of course you can use this sauce for whatever protein you like: chicken, beef, go for it. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more easy dinner recipes.